already, but we have to leave them for like half hour. This side is done too. Oh my goodness, I can't wait for the whole thing get done. Ayan guys, tapos na. Finally done the grouting here. Hopefully that worked pretty good, not expected. I don't know if she's supposed to do the corner yet, but I don't think she's done on that side. So now he's wiping the grout in here.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.
It's just the building thing is unraveling.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. So loud as the hours pass, we're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had.
Hello guys, ito na yung tapos na yung after drop. We just finished. My husband is just putting all the cover for the receptacle. So this is what it looked like. If you see me was scrubbing that corner, and we still have some to touch up, but it's not that much. So this is what it looked like. Oh my god, we loved it. So that is what it looked like. Oh my goodness, it's gorgeous. I loved it. So this is what this looked like up above, and so we're starting to dry it up, all the countertop, because I just done cleaning them. And my husband's putting the cover for the receptacle, because we still have a lot of stuff to do. So that's why I didn't put all my decoration yet. And I have to start cooking for our dinner. So that's what it looked like. Oh my god. So what do you think, Papa? Loved it? Oh my god, I loved it. Our dream kitchen. So ayan, so what we're gonna do now is this corner is, I think he's gonna put like a white caulking over here, and the white caulking there, so it's not gonna show. All you have to do is put the white caulking on it, and it's gonna be fine and perfect. So yeah, that is our grout. We're happy to pick that kind of color for the grout for our tiles, and look awesome. Thank God we put all the way up, because it kind of like useless if we didn't put it up, and it just kind of nothing but drywall there. So yeah, this is it guys, and this is what we done, and thank goodness for my hubby, and he did all that, and he did amazing job for this backsplash, and we don't have to hire anybody. So if you could do it, why not do it yourself, right? And that's what it's all about. And you save your money for do it yourself. And I know it takes so long to get it done, but we want it to be done, like, to do it the way we want to do done. All right, so pretty soon, guys, hopefully all our kitchen is finished. All we need is all our cabinet doors. And thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button below, share, and please subscribe to our channel, Sangko 213.